In this video, I'll show you how to do the manual install method. The method of installation you can use if you can't use the launcher or just simply don't want to. If you already have the copy of 1.13c folder, you can go and skip to the timestamp I have on the screen. Hello, and welcome to the Diablo 2 mod Resurgence. Today we'll go over how to install Resurgence for online play. The same installation method can also be used for single player, but in order to get the best single player experience, you really should install PlugY. More on that in a future video. Resurgence currently only runs on Diablo 2 patch 1.13c. Resurgence will not work properly with 1.13d or 1.14. So the first step will be to get Diablo 2 1.13c. If you do not have a copy, or you cannot downgrade from 1.14, I will show you how to get it. First step is to go to the Diablo 2 Resurgence website. We're going to go and press on Download Launcher. It'll take us to the subreddit, to the How to Install page. We're going to go to this section right here. We're going to follow this guide right here. So the first step is to go to this link and download the installers. You go and press download, it'll download. It's 1.9 gigabytes. I already have it installed, well, downloaded. So it's right here. You're going to want to extract it onto your desktop, and you will get this folder. We're going to go ahead and open it. We're going to install the original Diablo first. Go ahead and go through it, agree, type in your name, grab your CD key. I grab my CD keys off of the Blizzard website. Go ahead and install it just the normal way. Okay, go ahead and exit out. Now we're going to go back. We're going to install the expansion. So this is going to install a 1.12 patch, so we can upgrade to 1.13c. Go and enter your name. Grab your CD key. Again, I grabbed mine off of my Blizzard account. Okay, exit out. Beautiful. Now we have 1.1. Now we have a copy of 1.12. Now we have to go back to the website, or back to the install page, and we're going to go ahead and grab the 1.13c patch. Go ahead and press on it, download it to wherever you can find it again. I already have it. So it's going to be a file like this. You're just going to run it. Go ahead and close out the Diablo window it tried to open. Okay, now our copy of Diablo is 1.13c, and we can go ahead and start with the installer. Before we move on, we're going to take a copy of our Diablo 2 root folder, and we're going to place it onto our desktop and rename it Resurgence. So just in case we make a mistake along the way, we can always go back and have a fresh folder to use. So this is how mine's set up. It's inside of my Windows C drive, program files x86, Diablo 2. This is the root folder. I'm going to copy it, just place it right onto my desktop. Give it a couple seconds. Okay, now we're going to rename this Resurgence. This is going to be the folder that we're going to edit. This is the folder we're going to keep playing just in case we need to go back. Okay, now I'm going to show you the manual installation. This method is for if your computer will not run the launcher or you just don't want to run the launcher. There's people that don't, there's people that do. So, we have our Diablo 2 folder. We're going to rename it Resurgence. Now we have to edit the files that are in here because we cannot use the launcher right now. So, we go to the Resurgence website, press on Download Launcher. I'm going to go to the Manual Install section. Go ahead and click on the button. Now what I do is I make a folder on my desktop so I can put all the files into. It's a little easier. You're going to download each file and you're going to save it into the folder, which I've already done all of it, but you're going to download each file except for the manifest. That one you do not need. So, Resurgence manual files. Open the Resurgence folder you're going to edit. Go ahead and drag all these over to the folder. Replace the files. Now your folder should be patched. So we're going to make a shortcut for Diablo 2. We're going to put it on the desktop. I rename it Resurgence. Now you want to right click, go to Properties. In the Target section is where you would put your things like /W for window. You're going to want to go over to Compatibility. Make sure it's running, not make sure, but if you're having issues, run it in Service Pack 3 or Service Pack 2. I think I stick with 2. I think 3 is better because then you can have the wheel, your mouse wheel. Make sure it's run as administrator and press apply. Now you should be able to launch. You should know that you're almost there if you have the BH up here, the Resurgence logo, and the patch number down here. The last thing we need to do to get online is to make sure that the gateway is set to Resurgence and not the base ones. So to do that, we're going to head over to the Resurgence website, press on Download Launcher again. We're going to go to this Connecting to Server. You're going to press on this and you're going to download the BNet Gateway Editor, which I already have. Let's exit out of that. Installation, drag the Gateway Editor. Okay, so we're going to open this. This window is going to pop up. There's 3 different games down here. We're going to want to make sure we go to this one in the middle, Diablo 2. So right now, these are all the base gateways. We're going to want to add a gateway. This window will pop up. We're going to go and copy these right here. /Diablo Resurgence might not fit in there, so I just put Resurgence. Oop. The zone is going to be 8. IP, E, VNT. And press OK. Now we have the gateway added, but we have to set it. So we're going to set to chosen gateway. Now it says chosen right next to it. Now we should be good to go. So we're going to exit out. We're going to open up our Resurgence again. It says Resurgence right there. We should be good. Okay, so we are now ready to get online. Go ahead and press on Battle.net. Create your account. I've already created one. create a character. We're now in the lobby. Make sure you do /FA chat to add the chat bot. You can now chat and chat by doing chat. Hello, I'm new here. And hopefully someone will talk back. We're gonna go ahead and make a game. Hop in. We got really low resolution right now, so we're gonna go ahead and go to video resolution. We're gonna put up to the highest there is. And then we're gonna go ahead and make the screen bigger. And then we're now good to go. Your map pack is already active. You can go and edit that down here in BH, or you can go on Discord and we can help you out with that too. So I only have one window open right now. On Resurgence, you're allowed to have 3 windows open at the same time. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. It's as simple as downloading a file and placing it into your Resurgence folder. So we're going to go to the Resurgence website, going to head over to the wiki, go down to the getting started section here, go ahead and press on add-ons. You want to go to the multi-boxing section right here. You're allowed to have 3 connections on Resurgence. Makes it easier to meal, rush yourself, or simply load characters for additional EXP gain. So we're going to go ahead and download this file right here. Really small file. I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my desktop. Show in folder. Open up your Resurgence folder. Grab the file that you just downloaded and simply drag it over. Replace. We're going to go ahead and open them. And now we have all 3 windows. And we can go online with all of them. Alright, we're done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you guys. If you guys need any more help, feel free to jump in the Discord, ask on Reddit. There's a lot of people here that are willing to help. Hope you guys have a great night, great day. Hope to see you guys all on Reset. Goodbye.